Good morning, my name is Lina. Today I was supposed to have a class for exam preparation from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. However, nobody signed up for this class. What I am going to do now is to explain what I was going to do during the class. So today we had an exam preparation session and the topic was writing. So first, what I was going to do was to present this question and tell the students to think about it. What do you think? Do you think it while driving should be prohibited? Yes, no, and why? And I was going to ask them to give me their answers. And well, in that way, we can create a discussion in plenary and of course, any key point or important idea, we will write it here or have it in account for their activity. After that discussion is finished, what we were going to do was to check on this. This was approached also in a previous class. We were checking on the structure or the way to write an essay that is very common in this kind of exams. So in a previous class, we were focusing in the introduction and supporting paragraph 1. So today we were going to review about that and also focus on supporting paragraph 2 and the conclusions. Again, we were going over each part of the paragraph and well, explain a little bit about it. After that, we were also going to check on these words or expressions that are the ones that will help us to write the essay. I will I was going to explain the meaning of them and well, how they can be used. After that, we were going we were going to go back with the first question. Did you think eating while driving should be prohibited and why? And for that, or well, start to write like an example essay. We were going to use the ideas that we already had here, and we were going to make an example in short essay for them to know and see specifically how this can become to a real essay. After we finished with that, what I was going to do was to present this question: how can governments in the world increase the birth rates globally? Again, first, what we were going to do is like a discussion for them to give me their opinions and reasons, examples, all of that, so they can have all like new ideas, new vocabulary, new perspectives, and for that it will be easier, like that it will be easier for them to write the essay. With this, they will be able to start their own essay. I was going to give them like 15 or 10 minutes to finish it. And after they finish, what I was going to do was to present each essay here and will give them immediate feedback. Check about the grammar, the structure of the essay, and any other well information that we could get of the results of the activity. With that, we were going to finish the class. That was all. Thank you so much.